Hello and welcome to another VitalPBX video. This is your friendly uniform Joseph, and today we're going to be talking about a new series that we will be having here in VitalPBX. So this new webinar series is going to be called the Meet the Manufacturers webinar series. Here we will be going hand to hand with the different phone manufacturers we have been collaborating with to add their devices to the new phone provisioning module that we offer at VitalPBX. So the first 3 episodes have already been set, the first one going up tomorrow on the 17th of August at 11 a.m. US Eastern Standard Time. And this will be Meet Flying Boys. This first episode, we will be talking with the guys at Flying Boys, and they will be talking about their company and the products that they offer. Then the next episode will be on the 19th of August, this Thursday, where we will be talking with Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise and talking about the new SIP phones that they will be providing and that we have added for the VitalPBX provisioning module. And then the third episode of this first batch of the Meet the Manufacturers webinar series will be going live on the 24th, being next Tuesday, which will be Meet Fanville, where we will be talking with the guys at Fanville and letting them have a spotlight and tell us about their different devices that they offer that are compatible with VitalPBX. So we hope that all of you are very excited for this new series and that you can actually register now, either to the whole series, meaning that you will get updates on every single event, or if you're interested in a specific brand that you would like to see more about, you can register for that brand specifically. So all of the links for the different registrations will be down below, and you can go ahead and stay tuned for the different episodes that we will be having with this new Meet the Manufacturers series. So hope you have a great one, and I will see you soon.